In this video, I'll show you how to download Kindle books for free. If you're looking for free ebooks on your Kindle, here are some of the best platforms offering a wide selection of books. 1. Amazon. Amazon guarantees accurate $0 pricing for free Kindle books and allows direct delivery to your Kindle device. 2. E-Reader IQ. Tracks price drops and free ebook promotions. It includes additional tools like book tracking and notification for specific genre or authors. 3. BookBub. It offers detailed synopses, book cover images, and sometimes release dates. It creates daily deals and free ebooks for Kindle. 4. Digi Libraries. It focuses on independent authors and publishers and supports various formats including PDF, EPUB, and MOBI. You also have Project Gutenberg, Open Library, and you can download free ebooks for your Kindle from those websites. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.